Welcome you all to the program Easy Learning, Happy Learning, Social Science Online Guide for Students, presented by Agile Media. Today I am going to present World in the 20th Century, the second chapter of Social Science 1 of 10th Standard. After seeing it once completely, if you feel it's useful for you and if you want the notes continuously, please subscribe it. Let's go to the chapter. World in the 20th Century. Why do African countries share straight borderlines? The Europeans, who reached Africa in search of natural resources, partitioned the continent on the basis of some agreements by just drawing straight borderlines on the map at the beginning of 20th century. What is capitalism? The economic system in which production and distribution are controlled by the capitalist with the aim of increasing profit is known as capitalism. What is colonization? The Europeans had already established trade relations with the Asian, African, and Latin American countries. Using political power and military forces, the European countries economically exploited these nations. Later, they became the colonies of European countries. This process is called colonization. How did Industrial Revolution lead to colonization? Industrial Revolution led to large-scale increase in production, and this caused domestic markets insufficient. So, the European nations reached Asia, Africa, and Latin America in search of markets. They economically exploited by using political power and military force. That's led to colonization. What is meant by imperialism? European countries had considered the colonies as the source of raw materials and the market for their industrial products. Later on, colonial masters started to invest capital in the colonies itself. The distinctive phase of flow of financed capital to colonies is known as imperialism. Colonialists imposed their dominance using legal system, administrative measures, military force, etc. Differentiate capitalism and imperialism. Capitalism is an economic system in which production and distribution are controlled by the capitalists with the aim of increasing profit. Under this system, capitalists invest capital in their own countries. Then imperialism, the distinctive phase of flow of financed capital to colonies is known as imperialism. Imposing a nation's political, economic, and cultural dominance on another nation is a fundamental feature of imperialism. The capitalists invest capital in the colonies under this system. Under this system, the capitalists invest capital in the colonies. What are the factors that induced the colonial masters to invest in the colonies? First one, the availability of cheap labor in colonies. Second one, availability of raw materials. And third one, low cost involved in manufacturing and selling goods in colonies. How did imperialism affect the colonies? First one, the traditional economic system of the colonies was destroyed. Second one, administrative and judicial systems were replaced. Third one, people in colonies were forced to cultivate cash crops in lieu of traditional food crops. Fourth one, poverty and unemployment increased. Fifth one, natural resources were widely exploited. Sixth one, indigenous arts, literature, language, culture, and education system of the colonies were destroyed. Competition and conflict among imperialist nations for colonies and markets led to the outbreak of a world war. What are the causes of the First World War? First one, imperialism. Second, formation of military alliances. Third one, aggressive nationalism. Fourth one, imperialistic crisis. And fifth one, sudden cause of the war. Imperialism. The European nations feud with each other in establishing colonies. This competition led to conflicts among them and caused mutual distrust and enmity. This further drove the nations to sign military alliances. Second one, formation of military alliances. Two military alliances were formed. First one, Triple Alliance, Germany, Austria and Hungary and Italy. Second one, Triple Entity, England, France and Russia were the members of this Triple Entity. Third one, aggressive nationalism. As a result of this aggressive nationalism, three movements were established: Pan-Slav movement, Pan-German movement and revenge movement. Fourth one, imperialistic crisis. There are two important crises faced by the imperialist countries, Moroccan and Balkan crisis. Fifth one, sudden cause of the war, assassination of Francis Ferdinand, heir to the throne of Austria. Alliances, triple alliances. The countries under these triple alliances were Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. Triple entity, England, France and Russia. Then what is meant by aggressive nationalism? The European nations resorted to various strategies to succeed in their imperialistic competitions. Aggressive nationalism was one among them. Aggressive nationalists considered their own nations as a supreme and justified whatever be the actions of their nations. Various movements in Europe such as Pan-Slav movement, Pan-German movement, revenge movement were an offshoot of aggressive nationalism. Pan-Slav movement. Russia wanted to unite the Slavic people of Serbia, Bulgaria, Greece, etc. in Eastern Europe under her leadership. For this, Pan-Slav movement was formed with the help of Russia. Pan-German movement. To establish its dominance in Central Europe and Balkan provinces, Germany planned to unite the Teutonic people. This Pan-German movement came into being under the leadership of Germany. Then what is revenge movement? In 1871, Germany occupied Alsace-Lorraine, the territories that were under the control of France. To regain these territories, the revenge movement was formed under the leadership of France. What is Balkan crisis? The Balkan region is situated in Europe, close to the Aegean Sea and the Black Sea. It was a part of the Ottoman Empire. In 1912, Balkan League, that's Greece, Bulgaria, Serbia and Montenegro, defeated Turkey. However, the conflict among the Allied nations in sharing the benefits of war led to the breakup of the League and resulted in war among them. What is Moroccan crisis? A secret treaty was signed between Britain and France in 1904. According to this treaty, Britain recognized the claim of France over Morocco. The French claim over Morocco was opposed by Germany and they sent battleships to the Moroccan port Agadir. France agreed to transfer a part of French Congo to Germany and Germany agreed to concede Morocco to France in return. Thus the problem was solved temporarily. However, their rivalry continued. Sudden cause of the First World War. Assassination of Francis Ferdinand. When Austria laid its claim over the Balkan region with the support of Germany, Serbia claimed his region with the support of Russia. During this time, a Serbian youth, Gavrilo Princip, assassinated Francis Ferdinand, the heir to the throne of Austria, at the Bosnian capital Sarajevo in June 1914. Austria held Serbia responsible for it and declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. The Allied nations rushed to help their allies. Almost all the nations of the world, directly or indirectly, were involved in it. Therefore, this war is known as the First World War. Then effects of the First World War. What were the effects of First World War? First one, over 10 million people lost their lives or were injured in the war. Second one, agriculture, industry and communication system were destroyed. Third one, poverty, unemployment and inflation increased. Fourth one, economic dominance of Europe diminished. And fifth one, liberation movements in Asia and Africa strengthened. Fifth one, in a bid to bring about peace in the world, the League of Nations was formed. What is Versailles Treaty? A peace conference was convened at Paris in 1998 to discuss post-war situation under the leadership of the winning allies Britain and France. They signed different treaties with the defeated nations. Among these treaties, the Versailles Treaty signed with Germany in 1919 was the most important. According to this treaty, German colonies were divided among the victorious powers and Germany was forced to pay a huge amount as war indemnity. The Allies occupied the rich mines of Germany. Above all, war guilt was imposed on Germany and Germany was disarmed. With the First World War, the United States of America emerged as a new economic power outside Europe. Substantiate. The United States of America was not affected by the war. Hence, the European nations managed to get loans from the USA. Consequently, American dollar overtook British pound as the basis of foreign exchange holdings. As a result, the United States of America emerged as a new economic power outside Europe. What are the impacts of the economic depression of 1929? People who became pauper because of the war could not afford the commodities. Goods were kept unsold in factories. European nations failed to repay their debts to the USA. Banks collapsed. Inflation became uncontrollable and acute unemployment and poverty was the ultimate result. How the economic crisis of imperialist nations became a burden to the colonies. Economic depression seriously affected the colonies. To overcome this crisis, the European nations adopted a strategy of imposing heavy taxes on the colonies. Therefore, the economic crisis of imperialist nations became a burden to the colonies. For the remaining parts, see the next video. Thank you.